Our forest birds are dependent on forest habitats, so small remnants of forest, like the one I'm going to show you, are vital habitats for these birds as well as for other species. So come with me and we'll walk through a small forest remnant to see what birds we can find. As you can see in this small remnant, we saw several birds that are dependent on forest habitats, and these were species that won't be supported by the surrounding exotic grassland. So, this highlights the need to protect and manage existing forests so habitats for these species are maintained. Thank you for taking this walk with me. Next time you're in a small patch of native forest, take a stop and look around, see what you find.